Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will see a shortcut trick to find square root of 5-digit number in step by step manner. It is very simple trick. By practicing we can get easily. So first what we need to do is we need to split the given 5-digit number as first part as 3 digits and the second part as 2 digits like this 174 24. After that what we need to do is first we need to do in first part. To find for first part what we need to do is find the nearest square of number to 174. See 169, 13 square is 169 which is nearer to 174 because 14 square 196 which is greater than 174. So we need to choose first part as 13. I hope this first part is understand for you. So after that we need to see second part. Second part is 24. What we need to do is first we need to choose see last digit. Last digit is 4. Here see for last digit is 4. After that what we need to do is to become a last digit as 4 we have two possibilities because 2 square 4 and 8 square 64 both has last digit as 4. So what we need to do, we have two possibilities either 2 or 8, but we need to choose either one of them to become as an answer. For that what we need to do is we got 13 as first part and we need to multiply 13 with next number which is 14. 13 into 14 we get 182. 182 is greater than 174. That means we need to choose a smaller number from 2 and 8. Which is smaller? 2. So second part becomes 2. Once again I will explain. A very first step is we need to choose a last digit which is 4. After that we need to find how many number squares have last digit as 4. 2 square 4, 8 square 64. So 2 numbers squares has 4 as the last digit. So we have two possibilities 2 or 8. 132 or so our answer becomes either 132 or 138. After that we need to choose either one of them. So for that we need to multiply first part answer 13 with this next number 192. We get 182. If 182 is greater than first part digits 174, so we need to choose smaller number which is 2. So our answer becomes 132. I will explain another example so you will get more clarity. See our second example is 72361. We need to split here. I have split like this 72361. We 26 square 676 is nearer to 723. That's why our first part is 26. I hope everyone can do this easily. Second part is I think many of you have doubt. So last digit is 1. So what we need to do is after getting last digit we need to find how many numbers have squares? How many squares of number has large digit as 1? So I have written a table like this. See, 9 square 81 and 1 square I haven't written. You need to know. 1 square 1. Both has large digit as 1. So we have two possibilities, 1 or 9. After choosing 1 or 9, we need to choose either one of them. So for that, what we need to do is 26 multiplied with their next number 27. We get 702. 702 is less than 723. That means we need to choose larger number, which is 9. So second part becomes 9. So our overall answer becomes 26 9 269. I hope this video helped you. Find a shortcut trick. If you practice more and more number of numbers, you will get easily this trick. Thank you for watching.